None of Lodge has anything to say about it. And that ends my Archie's report in the Common Government report. Now we go into say DC, with at least 5 from DC and 1 from Windstorm. I'm saving that for last. With 2 from Batman. Starting with Batman Beyond, issue 4 of 6. But this is where, with this double page, we find that there's a assailant that Batman's pets coming across against a mech suit of Batman, with Bruce at the controls. But lucky the Neo Catwoman brought along her own pack. Yeah, that's a lot. But while Terry is afraid that then Dick Grayson, invited him downstairs to his old business place. A flashback is a concern on how Nightwing had quit. It involves the Joker's earlier incidents that may have a Batman no longer do the cape bits. Oh, this flashback was before the Joker's last heinous act. From the Batman Beyond movie, Return of the Joker. Although Terry doesn't buy that. But the truth is, at the beginning, he's the actual assailant. The question is, why? Next one is a prelude, whatever that word means, is to another set of comic series. In issue 703 of Batman, Bruce Wayne, The Road Home. We find Dick Grayson and son of the Dark Knight, who is currently Robin, on the pursuit of a new threat. Unfortunately, he managed to escape. Some conflict then began. I didn't know much about the relationship, or at least know what Batman, or at least what's going on in the Batman universe then. Batman universe currently. Although there was some arguments with their other relations, and that there was some other conflicts. Though it will say the new Archer, played with Ron Home, thus the return of Bruce Wayne. Next, we have issue 603 of Wonder Woman, and her new getup, which is indeed better, which is well needed change. In part 3 of the continuing arch of the Odyssey story arch, when she takes on these nasties. There's some type of gargoyles that kind of like gargoyle that feeds off the dead like vultures. And you thought that isn't bad enough. She finds herself in the underworld. Well, at least there's a bright light to this. Next, we have these 2 issues from the whole new Marvel story, from the whole new DC story arch. Brightest Day, number 9 and 10. Sony's Ratchet and Clanks, now they got the new comic simply named Ratchet and Clank. And it's the DC's Spotlight. Now although I will say for the PlayStation as well as the comic government. Let's just say my connection between Ratchet and Clank is just that we're just soldiers, just some common soldiers. Nothing unusual. Now, we find doesn't do a Ratchet and Clank. We're gonna say working on a vehicle. Working on a vehicle, don't know if it's doing mechanic work. But when they try the ejector seat, whoosh, it always seems to go awry. And then he shows up. But he's neither aiding in his help. There have been some disappearance of galactic planets, and in the galaxy. And but the galactic say there, and that Quark has a feeling that Ratchet Place is gonna need some assistance since he's a self-egomaniacal incompetent, but he's no liar. Although this comic will going to be something fill in this fall till the upcoming Ratchet and Clank game, All for One, next year. But I really say enjoy this comic, and I bet the Playstational units will as well.